Bayramov Publishing House presents its third publication, Durdi Bayramov, from the collection of Turkmen Museum of Fine Arts. This vibrant, premium quality art book will transport you to the beautiful world of Turkmenistan. This is an exclusive chance to see Bayramov's artworks that are preserved in his native Ashgabat. We thank you for your support in helping us promote Turkmen art and culture, because art is so important and it needs to be shared. Durdi Bayramov, from the collection of Turkmen Museum of Fine Arts, is available today in English, Russian, and Turkmen languages. Contact us at info@durdibayramov.org or through our social media pages to get your own copy.